regrets, or what's your biggest regret?
I was reflecting on this. I try to live life without regrets, but I guess I would say I was probably slightly frivolous with my money when I was late 20s, early 30s. It would have been nicer to have been able to invest in more things that I've seen recently, and if I had more capital, I'd be able to do that. But no, in terms of investing, what investments have I made that I felt gone particularly badly? I don't think there's anything so far, but you never know, right?
Or any companies that you haven't invested in that you had an opportunity in?
Oh, there's loads of interesting companies I see. I mean, I tend not to see many businesses that will end up being unicorns. That's not really the sweet spot for me. It's more, I guess, it's more venture to growth, or it's more private equity focus as opposed to VC focus. So those type of businesses where I have huge regrets and I've seen them go on to be massive companies, I don't see many of them. That said, there was a very nice children's product business that we looked at the family office that I was at that we should have invested in. That was a really nice business, good valuation, which we perhaps haggled over a little bit too much, and then I think they went elsewhere to get their capital. That's probably the only one.
So shifting gears a little bit, what's the investment that you're most proud of and why?
The investment I'm most proud of. There was a business I worked with when I was in the family office I worked for that after I joined was burning quite a bit of cash. And it was a consumer product business, had a retail strategy, a store strategy. So we quickly revisited that and tried to work out how the business could be sustainable in a different environment, different strategy. Implemented a wholesale strategy, reduced the store count, focus on the key kind of locations on the stores and reduce the rest. And ultimately got that to a position where the company was well funded, managed to raise decent money kind of 18 months after that. And now is positioned not just as a single, or a range of single niche products. It's got a wider product range, so it can be a retail offering, but also it has a much wider wholesale offering and becomes more of a multi-product brand as opposed to a single product brand. So the CEOs have done a fantastic job in getting it to that point. But when I joined, it was a slightly different picture. I invested with the family alongside the family office in one of their rounds, and look, tough market, but I think they're better positioned now than I guess they were when they started out on their journey, and they've completely repositioned the business to, I think in tech world they call it a pivot. But yeah, they pivoted, and I think they're in good shape. So in terms of, I guess, operational delivery and support to the entrepreneur, that's probably the one I'm most proud of.